Let's get you breaking news at the top of the broadcast. This is Union Minister Shivraj Chauhan who has condemned the behavior of opposition parties. Remember, this comes after the G Ramji bill has been passed in Lok Sabha. And the BJP's blazing attack and Union Minister Shivraj Chauhan leading that attack against the opposition parties. On crucial topics, he said, when discussions take place, leader of opposition disappears and disappears in a way that he's not even in the country but on foreign soil. And when he does, and when he finally reappears, they have destroyed the dignity of the opposition. What has happened today is when the bill was to be presented and was put to vote, there was not just ruckus from opposition parties, but some of them had torn the bill, thrown it in the face of the speaker and the minister. Those are visuals that you can see that took place earlier in the day in Lok Sabha. Let's play out what exactly Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said there.
जैसा अमर्यादित आचरण का प्रदर्शन हुआ, कागज फाड़ के उछाले गए, आसंदी के सामने टेबलों पे चढ़ गए, क्या ये बापू जी के आदर्शों की हत्या नहीं है? अपनी बात कह लो और जब दूसरा बात कहे जवाब दे तो बोलने मत दो। क्या ये अनैतिक नहीं है, अमर्यादित नहीं है?
All right, that was Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the Union Minister, who's of course spearheading that nodal ministry under which a G Ramji bill has been passed. Let's get in Aishwarya Jain for more on this. Aishwarya, one saw a lot of ruckus today in Lok Sabha, extremely unruly behavior from the opposition, and that's what the BJP, led by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, is calling out, that this is extremely undemocratic, unparliamentary.
Well, that's right. In fact, when the Lok Sabha reconvened today, it was KC Venugopal of the Congress Party who demanded that this bill should be sent to standing committee, and he urged Lok Sabha Speaker that it is the entire opposition which wants more scrutiny, more stakeholders consultation in this particular bill, to which the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla stated that yesterday it was enough time that was given. In fact, more than 90 speakers had registered while the discussion was panning out until 1:27 or 1:47 a.m. in the midnight. The parliament ran, and today it was when Shivraj Singh Chauhan replying to the entire debate and discussion, it was the opposition MPs who came to the well of the house. They protested, they chanted slogans, torn the papers, threw it towards Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the speaker, to which the many Bharatiya Janata Party MPs stated that this is unruly behavior and this is not what Mahatma Gandhi wanted. In fact, Chirag Paswan, Union Minister, went on to say that if Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi would have been alive today, and the kind of behavior that these MPs clearly had showcased in front of the country, this is just not demeaning for the people, this is demeaning for those as well who are seeing the parliament from outside the country as well. Parliament holds the topmost institution, and it is the Lok Sabha Speaker who should take appropriate action against those MPs who are standing atop of these tables and throwing papers. Certainly, it is Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan in that particular press conference also mentioned about the fact that how this will give more power to the rural people, and there is a guarantee for the employment. But on the other side, it is certainly, the Congress party who is saying that the protest is just not in the parliament, but they will take it to the ground, to the streets, and they call this bill completely anti-poor, anti-Indian.
All right, I'm going to leave it there, Aishwarya. This is far from over. What the Congress party is saying is, while the opposition could not register more than just a protest in the floor of the House, they're going to carry that on the streets of India, even as Lok Sabha Speaker said, the people of this country are watching. I'm going to leave it there, Aishwarya. Thanks much for joining us. Now, the contentious G Ramji bill, which will replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, has been passed in the lower house. amidst a massive protest by opposition MPs. There was ruckus in the House as members of the opposition who wanted the bill to be sent to a standing committee protested in the well, tore up papers after the Speaker said that the legislation has been discussed at length and will not be sent to a standing committee. Government, of course, maintains that the bill is an improvement on the Manrega bill that has been in place till now. In fact, Union Minister and Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said that the act was named after Mahatma Gandhi with an eye on 2009 elections. Remember, the opposition has been protesting against the bill, calling it anti-poor and alleging that the new provisions will lead to more corruption. The bill will now be tabled in Rajya Sabha, and after it's passed in both houses and the President has given its assent, that's when it will be made into a law. Take a look at some reactions coming in on that story.
एक सपना, एक संकल्प जो इस योजना के माध्यम से हम पूरा करना चाहते हैं, वो संकल्प, सपना और संकल्प है।
सदस्य, आपको देश की जनता ने कागज फेंकने के लिए नहीं भेजा है, आपको चर्चा करने के लिए भेजा है। और मैंने कल सभी मान्य सदस्यों को पर्याप्त अवसर, पर्याप्त समय चर्चा के लिए दिया है। ये संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप भी नहीं है और भारत के लोकतंत्र के अनुरूप भी नहीं है। माननीय मंत्री,
इस बिल से मनरेगा खत्म होने जा रहा है। आप किसी भी तरह से इसको देखें,
मोबाइल पीछे नीचे करो यार भाई।
जो समझदार आदमी है, जो ये 100 दिन से 125 दिन वाला जो है, ये चालाकी है।
मोबाइल नीचे करो भाई। हेलो,
अगर इस बिल को कोई भी पढ़ेगा,
नीचे करो ना, आप
ये साफ साफ स्पष्ट समझ आएगा कि इस बिल से आने वाले महीनों में ये पूरी स्कीम खत्म हो जाएगी। क्योंकि जैसे ही ये बोझ प्रदेश की सरकारों पर पड़ेगा कि इतना पैसा प्रदेश की सरकारों को देना है, वैसे ही आस्ते आस्ते ये स्कीम खत्म हो जाएगी। क्योंकि प्रदेश की सरकारों के पास इतना पैसा है नहीं। तो ये एकदम श्रमिकों के खिलाफ है, मजदूरों के खिलाफ है, गरीबों के खिलाफ है और इसका हम सख्त से सख्त विरोध करें।
Of course, absolutely, I condemn it, and it's just not acceptable. I mean, of course, you have all the right to oppose, you have all the right to talk against the bill, which you did yesterday. You got all the time, you got more than double the time allocated for the discussion. It was for 4 hours, 8 hours, till late midnight. It was discussed, and you got all the time to oppose the bill. But then this kind of behavior, you know, you throwing papers on the chair, you making aeroplane and throwing it over the chair, and the height that you standing on the table right in front of the chair. I mean, this is not acceptable. Our party, which is one of the oldest parties of our country, is behaving like this inside the house. I think this is very unfortunate.
It's a very tragic day in our country. The Manrega was a program which millions of people depended on for their livelihood, and it actually made a difference to their lives. It gave them guaranteed number of days of work and a honorable daily wage, which was very useful for them to carry on with their life. It was a supplemental income. It was also a basic income for many, and they spent the money in the local economy. Please understand that this money given to the people is not spent elsewhere. It is spent in and around the vicinity where they live. And how this program has been dismembered by insisting on a 40% contribution from the states, and most states don't have the funds. This program will die a natural death.
नहीं, जब नया दौर आता है, नए दौर के अनुसार जो है नए नाम रखे जाते हैं। एक टाइम पे इसका नाम मनरेगा भी रखा गया था। तो अभी जो नया दौर है उसके चलते हुए नया नाम, तो इसमें क्या बुराई है? जब एक स्वर्णिम अमृत काल आया है भारत के लिए, तो हम डेफिनेटली वांट टू डिफाइन इट बाय आवर गवर्नमेंट, एंड विच गवर्नमेंट डजंट वांट टू डू इट। आपने देखा है इतिहास जो है, एक कार्यकाल, एक चाहे राजा हो चाहे उनके युगों के नाम से जाना जाता है। तो ये राम युग है, तो अब जिसका नाम आया उन्होंने वो नाम रखे। तो अब जब राम का वक्त आया तो वो अपना नाम रखेंगे।
This bill is totally against the rural people of India. It has taken away the right of the people to get employment. The bill was bought as a demand-based bill, and now today they have made it into a allocation-based bill.